On November 2nd, 2024, a severe hailstorm hit parts of Saudi Arabia, including cities like Hail and Dammam. This unusual weather event resulted in flooding, causing road blockages and prompting local authorities to issue safety alerts. The intensity of the hail and rain led to the temporary closure of some schools in the affected areas as a precautionary measure to protect the population. Phenomena like hailstorms are rare in arid regions such as Saudi Arabia, but extreme weather events have become more frequent in recent years, sparking discussions about changes in climate patterns and their potential future impacts on the region.